In this episode, we're going to talk about how to repair a book that's falling apart. Instead of using the glue machine, because this book, although it has some issues, it's not too dramatic, so we have some separation here that's happening that we're going to want to tape back together, and it's more prominent in the back. So I'm going to do this back side real quick, just so we can see how to do this. So again, we're going to use our handy dandy tape dispensary, and I'm going to just give this a rough measure so I know how much tape to pull out with this machine, because again, it's pretty tough to get this stuff out. Okay, we're going to go to about here, and I'm going to snip my tape. Now, this is awesome tape. It's very, very sticky. So with this tape, what I would like to do, and you can tell I'm a little over, but I can always trim my edges. So we are going to place the tape just on the one side for right now. And I'm going all the way up to the edge. Now, because I don't want this filament to show, I want to kind of close my book up just a little bit. And I'm going to press that down and give it a good press in there. Okay. So when I close my book, okay, now it's nice, it's clean. I'll press these bubbles out and we're good to go. I just need to trim this off and we're all ready to go. Thank you.